Hi friends, this is Jerry from Knarr Analytics, and today I want to share with you something unique about how you can analyze data in Knarr using a feature we call Notes. First, we'll start out with this project about marketing campaigns that my teammate Katie has loaded with a couple of datasets, user signups and website traffic. These datasets are related and contain some of the same information that will help us perform our analysis, but don't necessarily make sense to link together directly. I can also see that there is a note that Katie made in this project about our campaign website effectiveness. Immediately, I can read through her analysis, check out all of her snapshots, and get an understanding of what she was looking for and how it's going. It looks like she's specifically focusing in on Instagram ads and attempting to see if we could or should abandon using those types of ads due to lack of engagement. She also points out a few successful campaigns but doesn't get a chance to finish the analysis. I'd like to pick up where she left off by doing a deeper dive on campaigns by name. So I swap out the dimensions in charts Katie made in her most recent snapshot and get to work. I can instantly start adding to this analysis with my snapshots and my own commentary. No need for me to create my own sheets or views or even load my own data. I can just jump right in and start exploring. I found a couple of insights that I'd like to record and indicate that I'm going to do some further exploration on successful and unsuccessful campaigns using some other data. With that, I add a new note to start on my analysis of Instagram ads, in which I will flip to the other dataset, user signups, so I can get a better view of conversions. I spend a few minutes running through the discovery of the dataset, adding charts, tables, orienting myself around this next piece of analysis, even potentially enhancing Katie's dataset with my own data that I can just tack onto her model. Ultimately, I find that Instagram ads aren't worth the cost because they didn't bring in enough money. They only brought in an ARR of, do some more quick analysis, ask a question on Slack, and carry the one, and $1,500. As a result, I'm going to recommend that we discontinue Instagram ads immediately. By default, notes are shared with anyone on a project, but you can make your note private if you'd like to hold off on others seeing your analysis while you're still preparing it. Notes are an awesome way to keep track of your analyses and ensure your whole team is on the same page. Go to knarr.io and sign up for free to check it out.